Last Friday, Butler Community College welcomed visitors to the Erman B. White Gallery for the opening of its latest exhibit, Art from the Family Room. About 100 students, teachers, and community members arrived to take a look at the pieces from the personal collections of some of the Butler faculty. The exhibit is the brainchild of Butler art instructor Valerie Herring, who directs the gallery.
And this is an exhibit that includes Butler employees. I invited Butler employees to exhibit artwork from their own personal collection.
These implements are what these hands use to take sheet metal and wire and some pretty colored rocks and heat implements to manipulate with. Finishing I take that material and craft it into forms that are wearable sculptures.
Dr. Vietti's grandfather, there's a story on there about how he came to Eureka. He was a doctor, and then they had 5 sons, and they were all physicians who practiced over in Eureka, and one of them was Jackie's father.
Right.
So, I mean, that's a really neat story, too.
There are a couple of works that I brought in from my own collection. I took them off my family room wall and dusted them off and brought them in. And the painting on the right is actually a painting that I made, was commissioned to do for one of my coworkers, Michelle McClendon. This has been a really exciting show because it's involved Butler employees on a personal level. So many of my coworkers have brought work to the gallery. The work's on display, and also in the little show cards beside the work, sort of gives a description as to why the artwork is important to the owner of the artwork. The E.B. White Gallery has about 6 shows every school year. The gallery is open Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., and by special arrangement. And again, my name is Valerie Herring, and I can be reached at vherring@butlercc.edu or 322-3173.